Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Greg Antoinette, your African relationship expert. I will always guide you with tips in building good relationships. In Africa, 90% of good relationship is achieved by women putting effort to keeping their man through African cultural ethics and values. The modern society has lost a lot of these ethics and values, bringing about a lot of breakups and bad relationships. I'll be your reminder to these ethics and values so that you can be able to mend and build good relationships. If you want tips to mend and build good relationships, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And make sure you turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Before going into a relationship, what are the things you need to have? The first is maturity in the mind. Maturity is simply the way we think about issues, the way we address them. Because out of the mind comes out all issues of life. We're going to look at the immaturity some people exhibit so that we can learn from them, use them to mend our relationship and build our relationship. In today's video, I'm going to be addressing insecurity. Let's use the story of Bridget to learn and use it to mend and build our relationship. So you see, Bridget lived with her parents. And she had other siblings. But Bridget was someone who wanted attention from the parents. So whenever the parents asked for them to do something at home, Bridget would quickly go for it. She was seeking for attention. She was seeking to be singled out from her siblings, to be seen as the best among them. So she continued to behave this way. She tried to make the parents see her as the best child in the house, even though everyone was trying their best to be good. So now, Bridget is growing. And when she was in school, she would always want the best people in class to be her friends. She had to fight about this, quarrel about this, and her friends would like, why is this girl not wanting me to have another friend? She never knew she was building insecurity. She was building a kind of insecure self. But you see, this is where insecurity comes. When she loses that friend, she feels she's not secured. She tries to fight every friendship she has. She fights the relationship she has with her parents, between her siblings. She fights the relationship she has with friends from school. She keeps fighting to keep relationships. Now, Bridget has grown up and has gotten a guy for herself. She's now in a relationship. But guess who she's fighting this time? She now fights her mother-in-law to keep her man to herself. She doesn't feel secured to the love the man is showing her. She doesn't feel like sharing that love. That insecurity that she has built from childhood, she has carried it to a relationship. Now she drives away friends because she feels they will take the man from her. He wouldn't give her all the attention he's giving to her. She will lose it. She fights her in-laws because she feels, if I allow my husband to continue bonding with his family, the love he has for me will dwindle. But no, relationship is about sharing. You shouldn't be insecure to share. If Bridget had learned to share the love of her parents with her siblings without trying to fight over it for them to show preferential love for her because she's trying to be better off than the siblings, they would all share that love together, share moments together. But it seems like when she was at home, she was the center of attraction because of what she was building for herself. Now, carrying that mindset to her relationship, it brings insecurity. She begins to fight off everybody around the man. But this man you are talking about has a family before he met you, has friends before he met you. He has associates before he met you. You don't think he would discard everybody for only you. No. Relationship in Africa is two families coming together and sharing. You share the love that your mother-in-law has for her son. Your husband, your guy, will share the love your own parent has for you. That's one thing that you gain. You have a lot of love to share. So, Bridget has a problem now. She has to evolve from the state of insecurity that she has in her mind. That insecurity she has, I can't share this love. It has to be just me. So you're trying to secure that love for yourself. No other person should share this with me. You trying to secure that for yourself makes you insecure. So relationship is for sharing. And Bridget has to evolve. Just release yourself and share. Sharing would mean holding on for the next person to have a little time with that person you love. It means sharing little times among each other. You allow this person to have some fun with your parents. You allow this other sibling to have some fun. You wait. You be among the fun. Sharing it together, be among the fun. You might not be the center of the fun, but be among them. I know for you, who loves to be the center of attraction, it's going to be difficult. It's going to look like a very long time for you to wait. But learn to wait. So if your mother-in-law is talking to your husband or your guy, wait. Let them have their chit chat. Share in the laughter. Be among the discussion. Laugh along. Be among them. When you start learning to do that, you're becoming matured. You accepting it in your mind. Your mind will begin to brace it. Then when you have children, you'll be able to teach them how to share your love and your husband's love. So, if you don't learn this, if you don't try to evolve into sharing the time you have with your man, with family and friends, then you are still exhibiting immaturity. Because in relationship, especially in Africa, you need to share love among yourselves. In Africa, they practice extended families. And with extended family, you need to share. I hope you can be able to share. This is going to help your relationship to bring joy and laughter, to build and mend your relationship. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to this channel, like and share. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.